Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to get your Shopify store link on your phone. Let's get started. First, create a Shopify account. Go to the Shopify official website and click on the Start Free Trial button. Answer the prompt to complete the setup. Once you are on Shopify admin page, go to the home page and click on the menu item at the top to view your Shopify store. If you want to change your store name, return to the home page and click on the menu icon and select Settings. Choose the General option and in the General section, click the Edit button to update your store name. Save your changes and return to the store page. To get your store link, click on the URL and copy it. Open the new tab and paste the copied link. And you will see your store. That's how you can get your Shopify store link on your phone. Thank you for watching.